Thinking and I close my eyes, everything is black and white. I can't tell if we're getting closer. Running up against the tide, I could go my whole life playing this thing just over and over. And won't you come put it to rest now, baby? Can't you feel the ground we on is shaking? Tell me I'm in your head now. Yeah, always with your guard up, your guard up. With your guard up, your guard I'll help you find your peace of mind. You don't always have to climb. We can just stay under covers. Leave the old world behind when everybody's going blind. Baby, you don't have to suffer. And won't you come put it to rest now, baby? Can't you feel the ground we on is shaking? Tell me I'm in your head now. Yeah, always with your guard up. Lean into me when your worries they weigh. We will watch as they all fade away. Lean into me when there's nothing to say. 'Cause you don't have to go out every day with your guard up. Your guard up. With your guard up. Your guard up. Your I'm singing something new today, marching to the beat of my own drum, freestyle every cloud away. I'ma take it all just as it comes, making up the melodies. And if I am alone in the choir, hum on my own harmonies. Let the rhythm take me higher. It don't matter what's coming my way, got 'em moving smile, I gotta sway. Anytime I find that chance, I'll face the music and dance. Feel the static disappear, fading away one step at a time, till the only sound you hear is what makes you feel the most alive. Make up your own melodies, and if you're all alone in the choir, hum all your own harmonies. Let the rhythm take you higher. It don't matter what's coming your way, gotta move and smile, you gotta sway. Anytime you find that chance, just face the music and dance. There's a new air around me, the waves crash onto my feet, breathing in my surroundings. I fall into a daydream. I look back to the palm trees in the hills by the sea, where I can set myself free to finally be at peace. Everything looks a little different without you next to me, holding my hand, but I'm okay with it. I'm just fine, taking it all one step at a time, moving slower than ever before. Somehow it feels like I'm doing so much more, lost in moments in my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me, myself, and I, in my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me, myself, and I, just me, myself, and I. Just me, myself, and I. I used to search for reflection